Welcome to my channel. BT Smart Hub 2. BT's next generation Smart Hub 2 is our most advanced router and comes with a combination of unique features to deliver fast speeds throughout the home. The Smart Hub 2 provides 7 antennas uniquely positioned to maximize power, the latest Wi-Fi technology, smart channel selection, smart scan and clever app-based services to help them set up and manage their home Wi-Fi. How do I set up BT Smart Hub 2? 1. Connect to the primary socket. Insert one end of the gray broadband cable into the left socket of your primary socket. 2. Connect to your hub. Insert the other end of the broadband cable into the broadband socket on your hub. Make sure it is fully pushed in, you'll hear a click. 3. Plug in your hub. Slide the two parts of the hub's plug together until they click into place, connect the cable to the hub's power port, plug it into the wall and switch it on. 4. Switch on your hub. The lights on your hub will change to green or flashing orange as it is setting up. When the lights have stayed solid blue for 2 minutes, your hub is ready to go. 5. Connecting your devices. Connecting your devices, look for the tab on the back of your hub. Scan the QR code to enter your hub's details automatically. Connect using the details on your hub. Your network name and password are on the back of your hub. Your network will be called something like BTXXYYXX. Trouble connecting. Check your smart hub is switched on. Check if your smart hub light is solid blue. Restart the hub and try connecting. Try again later. Your broadband can be activated anytime up to midnight. Thanks for watching.